Becoming a successful product owner requires a combination of skills that go beyond traditional project management. Here are 5 essential skills every product owner should master. Strategic vision, the ability to see the big picture and align product development with the overall business strategy. It helps in making informed decisions, prioritizing features, and ensuring that the product aligns with long-term business goals. Stakeholder management, the skill of effectively communicating and collaborating with various stakeholders, including customers, development teams, and leadership. It ensures that all stakeholders are on the same page. Expectations are managed, and feedback is gathered and incorporated into product development. User-centered mindset, the focus on understanding and advocating for the end user's needs and experiences. It drives the development of features that truly add value to the users, leading to increased satisfaction and product success. Prioritization and decision-making, the ability to prioritize features and make decisions based on the product's strategic goals and user needs. It helps in optimizing resources, delivering value quickly, and adapting to changing priorities or market conditions. Adaptability and flexibility, the capacity to embrace change, learn from feedback, and adjust product strategies accordingly. In the dynamic landscape of product development, being adaptable ensures the product can evolve to meet market demands and user expectations. Mastering these skills empowers product owners to navigate the complex and ever-changing landscape of product development successfully. It allows them to lead cross-functional teams effectively, make data-driven decisions, and deliver products that truly resonate with users and contribute to the overall success of the business.